Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Capital One Investing easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with Capital One Investing, start by visiting the official Capital One website. On the home page, locate the search bar at the top. Type investing into the search bar and hit enter. Select the Capital One Investing link from the search results. Once on the investing page, look for the sign in button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign in button to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, click on Get Started to begin the registration process. Fill out the required personal information in the registration form. This includes your name, email address, and any other requested details. Create a secure password that meets the specified criteria. After filling out the form, review the terms and conditions. Once you're ready, click the Submit button to create your account. After creating your account, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your email and follow the link provided to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Capital One Investing page. Sign in using your new username and password. Now that you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Explore different investment options and tools available on the platform. To connect your bank account, navigate to the Accounts section in your dashboard. Click on Link Bank Account to initiate the process. Follow the prompts to enter your bank details securely. Confirm the connection by completing any verification steps required. Once your bank account is linked, you can start investing. Review the resources and tutorials available to enhance your investing knowledge. Enjoy managing your investments with Capital One Investing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.